Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the both phones Vivo IQ007 versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So a lot of users they are really interested to know which phone will be the best and why as well. So here I got a lot of categories listed on the paper, and I'll try to confirm which phone is the best as well in this kind of categories. So I have included the processor, display, battery, camera, and other specifications, and finally it comes to the price. So which phone will be the best for the price range as well. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more videos which are reviewed already on the couple of smartphones as well. All the links will be available in the description below, friends. So let's get started here with the comparison of this both the phones. So first thing is that I don't have the Vivo IQ 007 with me right now, but I do have the Realme X1 Pro which I am using for the past few months. So maybe I did ask for the review unit from the Vivo, and still now I did not get any kind of reply from the IQ00 team. So maybe I need to wait for the sale to happen, and then I'll if possible I'll try to buy the phone as well. So I'm just waiting for the reply from them to get the review units. So first let's start with the processor, friends. The first thing is that both phones, they are using the different kind of processors. The one in the Realme X1 Pro has got the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and whereas the one in the IQ007 which has got the Snapdragon 870 processor, as you can see. So there is a difference between the processors, and in terms of the performance wise, absolutely the Snapdragon 870 is a winner. The reason is because the Snapdragon 870 can score AnTuTu benchmark scores up to 7 lakhs of AnTuTu benchmark test results, and whereas this Realme X1 Pro can score up to 6 lakhs of AnTuTu benchmark test results. So 6 lakhs or sometimes 5 lakhs 50,000, sometimes like that. But overall, in terms of the performance wise, definitely the Snapdragon 870 will be the best option which is present in this IQ00 smartphone. Another thing is that I do have my Mi11X as well with me, so which has the same kind of Snapdragon 870 chipset. So that is how I am confirming that Snapdragon 870 chipset is very much powerful enough to beat this Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So next is UFS storage. The UFS storage in this IQ007 is kind of UFS 3.1 storage. That's a very fast storage when you compare with the UFS 2.1 which is present here. And the RAM type, both are using the LPDDR4 RAM type, both phones. So in the processor segment, I'm giving points to the IQ007. So next, for having the UFS 3.1 and for having the better processor. So next is a display. So in the display segment, I have included the refresh rate, brightness, and panel. So in terms of the refresh rate, both phones are having the 120 Hz refresh rate. There is nothing much change. 120 Hz is common in both the phones, and both phones uses the AMOLED type of panel, as you can see here. So AMOLED type of panel, and the brightness is of 1300 nits which is present in the IQ007 and 1100 nits on this Realme X1 Pro. I'm thinking that Realme X1 Pro has got 1200 nits of brightness. So this is a quick comparison, friends. Overall, in terms of the panel and the refresh rate and all those things, I do feel the IQ007 has good advantage because it has got the higher touch sampling rate as well, 300 Hz touch sampling rate when you compare with the 240 Hz. So now let's move to the battery segment. So in the battery segment, both phones kind of close to each other, friends, because both are having the very fast charging, 66 watts fast charging and 65 watt fast charging, and the battery capacity, both are having the kind of same kind of capacity, slightly higher on this Realme X1 Pro which has got 4500 mAh of battery, and with 65 watt it can charge within 35 minutes, and whereas the IQ007 has got the 66 watts and 4400 mAh of battery, it can charge in 22 minutes, as you can see here, friends. So in the charging speed rate, you can say the IQ007 is slightly better and faster than the Realme X1 Pro, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So in terms of the battery segment, I need to use the IQ007. So without using the phone, I cannot able to comment much on the battery backup of this Vivo IQ007. But definitely I'll try to get hands-on with this phone in the future, friends. I'm still waiting for the reply as well for the review unit. So next, let's move to the camera segment. In the camera segment, both are kind of close to each other, but the IQ007 has got image stabilization or something like that. It's going to happen in this phone. So my whole concept is that once I get my mobile phone of the IQ007, definitely I'll do the in-depth comparison between both the phones in terms of the cameras. So even the camera and the display, these are the two things which I cannot comment much on the IQ007, friends, unless I get the mobile phone. So processor wise, I can definitely have the confidence that phone will be doing great, and display also good, but only the camera and the battery, those are the two things which I need to test by myself. So only then I will be able to do comment on those. But right now friends, in terms of the other categories, both phones have the dual loudspeaker setup. Both are having the very good haptic feedback, but IQ007 has got the slightly better haptic feedback installed in this phone. So that is what they did advertise while releasing this of the IQ007. So all friends, is a quick review between both the phones, and as you can see here, so I hope I did cover all the concept, all the comparison between both the phones. Both are having the in-display fingerprint scanner, and both are 5G supported by default, so no need to worry about that. And that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both the phones. And in terms of the pricing, the IQ007 you can get up to 27,999 if you're using any kind of discount like ICICI credit card. So that is what the offer is for. And for the Realme X1 Pro right now, it's available for about 30,000, so 29,999. So both are exactly same price. So if you ask me which phone I would choose, so definitely friends, I'll be choosing the IQ007, no doubt at all. The reason why? Because of the processor, because of the better processor, which is because of better UFS storage as well, 3.1, and Snapdragon 870 chipset. So those are the things which I particularly like and enjoy in this IQ007 as well, and slightly better of fast charging, 22 minutes. That's also another good advantage. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on the live wallpapers what I'm using in all of my smartphones. Do check the links in description for the playlist of each and every smartphone as well. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.